The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus, mostly. The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus. Laser-like focus. Focus on the few things that most matter at one time. Today, I want to share with you the concept of drill down. What does that mean? So, example here. So, I'm looking at this government site, and if I want to know more about this government site, I will just right click here, choose drill through detail page, and it will tell me all the products that sell to the government sector. And what does that mean? So if you took a graphical works, another example is like you can analyze your sales data by category. So you use a pie chart to represent the percentage, the market share for each of the category. And from there, if you right click on that certain sector, it drill through to look at just that page, that about beverage. So what does it mean? How is it related to the beginning? It says that laser-like focus. So at any one time, you focus on the feel of the item. So what to focus on? Just on the category, on the big picture. If we go to that main page. Now if you want to laser focus on a certain category, we use the drill through to go there. So how do you do that? So you insert a new page, and then so you insert a table, and there is the product and the sales. Select outside, click another cart. Select the salmon. Okay, it can be just called salmon. Alright, and we don't want that label, so go to here, choose the category label, remove it, and then go back to here, and we'll just drag the segment to the drill-through page as well. Alright, so we're gonna have it here, and the moment we click on the drill, drag it to drill through, there will be an automatic added one page right here. So I click on this here, maybe here. Okay, so now I'm selecting this. I'll right click, drill through. Now I have two pages, so I go to page 2. So it will show me government and the related sales, the product sales related to government sector or segment. And that is the simple drill through. Now if you want to have like what you see here, this slicer here, also relatively easy. You just select the slicer, which is right here, and then select the month. Click over here, change it to, click on this button, change it to, no, stop. Just pick here, choose the format visual, go to slicer setting, go into horizontal. Okay, and then you just drag it accordingly. And in the selections, you choose show all, so we can have all the sales. And yep, so if I want January, that's the one. Okay, so I can choose a few more. So click here one time, select all. Alright, so you can also drag a cart item, then drag the sales. So we have a big number here, so you can always put that here in the middle. See that this is sales, that this is the government item. So you see that 50, 48. Okay, that's because we are selecting all of them. So select one of these. Let's look at May itself, 2.1. Again, go to April 1.9. So we can drag a few more. Okay, that's really good. So you can also create a one more. Just look at the, okay, just copy this, paste it here, change it to the bar chart or column chart. So you can see that it's changing. See? So all. You can also use the format, edit, and okay, so cool. So let's say I have none of this tag here. So what will happen? So you can see that this doesn't change, right? It can't be disabled when you interact with it. This item here. Yeah, or maybe no here. Oh. Okay, so we define that the interaction between the slicer and this chart here, this column chart, will not be, there will be no interaction with this. So let's come back to the format, disable the edit format, so you can see that here it doesn't change. Okay, see that this doesn't change, this change. Okay, so just another revision of what we covered yesterday. So that's it. Laser focus design by looking at the main page, and if you want the more detail on zoom in that, so we laser focus on that item and drill through, click page 2. You got it. Thank you. Once again, drill through. Zoop, zoop. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together, we excel before 50.